YouTube channel HMS Tutorials. Friends, now quick summarize what we have learned so far. In last class, we have discussed what is matter, what are the examples of matter, what are the Panch Tattva, what is the definition of atoms and molecules, characteristics of particles of matter, etc. And we have also discussed the kinetic energy. And now today we are going to our next topic, the properties of solid, liquid and gases. So the first topic is properties of matter. Friends, there are four properties. Now I am going to first property. The first property is solids have definite shape. The first property is solids have definite shapes. Friends, as you all know that this is a solid and we cannot deform this shape to another shape, like this is a triangle. We cannot make it circle like this way. So the first property is solid have definite shape. Now I am going to next topic. The next property is solid are rigid. Now I think you all are having a question, what is rigid? The meaning of this, the solids have a tendency they have a tendency to maintain maintain shape when outer force is applied. What is the meaning of this? This means that solids have a tendency to maintain their shapes when some other force applied to them. Like this is a duster and you all know that this is a solid. I am pushing it, but it maintains its shape. The meaning of this property is that I told you they do not deform, they maintain their shape. The third property is solids have definite volume. The meaning of this statement is the solids have fixed volume. Means like we cannot compress it. It cannot change its volume. Now this is the meaning of third statement, and now I am going to fourth and last statement. Solids do not have the property of diffusion. Solids do not have the property of diffusion due to the small solids do not have the property of diffusion due to the small interparticle spaces. And I think you all know that what is diffusion. If you don't know that, now I am going to tell. Diffusion. The movement of gases from higher concentration region to low concentration region is known as diffusion. And what is this statement? Small interparticle spaces. And I in the last class I have already told to you that solids have very less space between them. These spaces are known as interparticle spaces. Inter means between them, particle means these particles made by, as you all know that, and spaces. This is the meaning of interparticle spaces. Now, this is all. This is the property of solid. Now, I am going to next topic, property of liquid. The next topic is properties of liquids, and this also having this is having also 3 or 4 properties. And the first property is liquids do not have definite, shape but definite, solid liquids do not have definite shape but definite volume. As you all know that liquids do not have definite shape. Like if we take a circular ball, then the shape of water is circular, and if we take in cylindrical, then the size of water is also cylindrical. But what is the meaning of this definite volume? Like this bottle is filled with 1 liter of water, and this is filled this much. And if we take a bit large bottle and we put this water into this bottle, and the shape of this bottle, the water take the shape of this bottle, and imagine this is 2 liters bottle, and if we put 1 liter of water, then it remains same. Means this bottle is filled only 1 liter. Means half. This is the meaning of this statement. Friends, this is all for the today's video. If you want another videos like this, then subscribe and like to my YouTube channel, and if you have any doubt related to this, then write down in comment section and make sure subscribe.